Well, today we are going to see a presentation on how does the internet works and the elementary terminology of networks. What is meant by the term internet and how does it actually work? The internet is a worldwide computer network that transmits a variety of data and media across interconnected devices. It works by using a packet routing network that follows Internet Protocol IP and Transport Control Protocol TCP. Functions of IP and TCP. IP Internet Protocol lays the rules that govern how information is sent from one computer to another over an internet connection. Importance of IP. It specifies that computers should send data to other computer with an attached numerical address. IP address, which can also be used to track down a user's physical location. There are also two types of IP addresses, public and private. Then TCP works with IP to ensure transfer of data is dependable and reliable. Importance of TCP. It ensures that no packets lost, no delay affecting data quality, packets organized in proper sequence, etc. What happens when we surf the internet? When we surf the internet, our device is connected to the web through a modem or a router. Modem A router allows for multiple computers to join the same network, whereas a modem connects our computer to your internet service provider, which provides cable or DSL internet. And connecting to the web through a modem or router allows it to connect to other networks around the globe. Here, our personal PC is known as a client connected through an ISP, internet service provider. Example of phone, personal computer, laptops, etc. Servers are computer directly connected to the internet. Example, websites, sites, applications, etc. Type in a web address. We type in a web address in the search bar known as URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator in our browser, and our query is processed and pushed to your ISP. The function of ISP is that it has multiple servers which can store and send data, like a NAP server, that is Internet Access Protection, and a DNS, Domain Name Server. Your browser looks up the IP address for the domain name you typed in our browser through DNS. And the function of DNS is that it translates the text-based domain name we type in the browser into a number-based IP address. Example is given below. Browser sends a hypertext transfer protocol (HTTP) request to the target server to send a copy of the web page of the client using TCP or IP. And here HTTP is the language used for internet communication, which ensures all the communications between our browser and website are encrypted. At last, a server approves our request and sends a message to the client computer. Then the server sends web pages files to browser in the form of data packets, and we get our result in the form of websites or the search that we did. Now we get into the elementary terminology of networks. First of all, what is a node? A node or workstation refers to a computer that are connected to the network. And servers, as we already did, is a computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software, and hardware resources on a network. A server may be of two types: non-dedicated server and dedicated server. A network interface unit (NIU) is an interface or network device or network card that establishes communication between the server and nodes. That's a workstation. പിന്നെ MAC access control address or MAC address, the NIC manufacturer assigns a unique physical address to each NIC. This address is called MAC address. A MAC address is a 6-byte address, each separated by a colon. Example is given below. Then IP address. All network follows some rules for communication. These rules are known as protocols. Every machine or computer system on a TCP or IP network has a unique identifying number called an IP address, for example, in decimal form to know the IP address for a computer system. Then domain name or domain name system. DSN or domain name system is a unique name assigned to a website. A domain name consists of the following parts: www, name describing the website, TDL, that is top level domain. Example is given below. And data sent over the internet is called a message, and before the data gets sent or the message gets sent, they are broken up into tiny parts called the packets. For listening.